Wagwan peeps, you don't know your boy Jnel back at it again with the next video. Now, this is not the type of video you don't know your boy Jnel normally do, but make a post what you can. So Razor Blade, the one of them video is really pretty, entertaining. So big up yourself, Razor Blade. So today, I do assumptions like, what do people really assume about me, even though they don't know me personally? Is me really want to know. Somebody actually make a post, and I got a few comments from Instagram and also the YouTube community. But on Instagram, they were like, it wasn't like, certain questions just never, someone never get to use the Instagram one. But probably I'll make a part 2 with just the Instagram. Or if I receive better questions on the Instagram, then I'll use the Instagram questions. But for today, I just use the question them within the YouTube community. So without further ado, make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you don't know, click the notification bell. Everything I got it right here. So I'm getting that video now. Alright, so the first assumption is you are good people. Big up yourself. Is me how you pronounce your name now? Soyoban. People pronounce the name for me, but big up yourself. Sorry, that S-I-O-B-H-A-N name is me. Big up yourself. Next one. Wow, that one is pretty long. This is pretty long, people. Alright, let me see if I have got to turn my phone sideways to read this, because it's long, the word I'm fine. Like, really, really fine. So, alright, let's get into it. You are humble. Seem to be fun around, but have your moment when you just want a mental break. Mental health. People, a tongue twister. We don't want a mental health break. Yeah, that's literally a tongue twister right there. So, easy me. Meaning, you have moments where you want to get away from society and others a bit to build yourself and make move secretly. I mean that. Honestly, if you know Jnel, is me. Yeah, me have more time when me just like lock away. Is me, I'm just meds, and when my meds, I'm like, yo, need to start to this. Is me. So I make move secretly, meaning when I make moves, nobody don't really know. You understand? Because that's just me overall. Is me, when it come on to making moves, I don't really talk. I just make the moves. You get me? So let me finish on the phone lock. Let me finish. You are secretive and a go-getter. Definitely a go-getter. People might be asking if they are determined and there as is. You are a perfect example or the definition of determined. Is me. Big up yourself. Alright, so we have a next long one here. You exude positive energy. You're a bit shy, full of doubts to an extent, but over the course of your life, you have proved people wrong. Definitely. Is me not like prove people wrong on purpose, but it's just a thing that happen naturally. Is me. But big up yourself, Crystal Brown. Alright, we'll move on now. And you continue to do that. I will definitely continue. Always continue. You didn't believe you had the ability to excel on YouTube. For you, that's a plus in an accomplishment. Definitely. It's like, me I read so far and the people actually see like the type of person me is me like that. You understand? Me really like that. Me love that. You get to me and say, and me I wonder how people like just watch the video them and can know say, yo, the brother yeah, such and such, blah blah blah. You see me, so the assumption before that by Diana Angel, like everything she say is actually true and she don't even know me personally. You see me, I guess people can read your demeanor, your vibe and everything. Alright, so let's move on to the next question. Alright, so let's move on to the next question. Well, you seems to be very nice, intelligent and an overcomer, not to mention you are good looking. Hey, Lord have mercy. Alright, next part. People, I just me that naturally, isn't it? Alright, so keep up the good work, Jnel. May God continue to bless you and keep you. Thank you very much, Peter Gay or Peter Gay. You see me? Allen, big up yourself, enough love, enough appreciation, you see me, and all of them things there. So let's move on to the next assumption. I don't know if, before me read, me say next question, but people, if me say next question, it's because me used to the Q&A type of thing, you see me? So don't pay me the mind when me say next question, next assumption. All right, next one. Your show, it's very creative and funny and informative at the same time. Yeah, man, big up yourself, Marcus Peters, you see me? And creative, you don't know if you hear the word creative, you know, that's Jnel comedy, because you don't know creative in all aspects. You see me? We might not cover, you know, every little area in a comedy, you see me? But you don't know whatsoever we do, we make sure we do it with the best of our ability. And, you know, basically that's it. But big up yourself, Marcus Peters, big up yourself again. So let's move on to the next assumption. Pretty cool dude and observant. Pretty cool dude. Big up yourself, cool GC. Is him enough? Respect my general. If you're a general, or even if you're a female, is him, but big up yourself. But it really sound like a general still, like cool CG. CG that sound like a man, don't it? Yeah. Alright, so the next assumption, I need to say question again. Alright, whoa. No, this is not really long, but it just seems long. You made a song before, but never finished it because you thought singing isn't for you. So you just do YouTube video. Alright, let me explain myself. When it come on to the song I have, so the reason why I even record that song in the first place is because, you know, I was at home, you know, just purchased some miking equipment, and I just say, you know, I gotta try it out. You get me? I actually purchased the miking equipment knowing that I don't want it right now, but me as a person, I always think ahead. You understand? So certain things just fall in place the right time, right? So, you know, I listen to a beat, I'm just say, yo, I try voicing for myself, but then my voice and me say, you know, it's so nice, is me. So come Buhn come on me now and say, yo, I read my body more in peace, is me. Buhn get peace at the rhythm. You know, we go up a Bricks gang for voice it, and Bricks I say, yo, so I look up a left off, you know, Jay, yo, what go on, like, you know, make Bricks jump on the track now. I'm say, alright, nothing wrong with that, brother, we are brother. You see me, I say come Bricks jump on it, but the thing is not like, me not take it serious, is I don't like to, I think I gotta say I don't like to, but when it comes down to doing YouTube, plus music, plus, you know, have a daily life, it not go easy. You understand? So I feel more comfortable for when I reach at a certain point. I can say, alright, I'm gonna start this and start it for good. Is not temporary, like for good, good. Like say for instance, my voice a song not release it. You know, I'm supposed to look for voice the next one, or voice 3-4 song in a space of 1 month. You understand? But because I don't want to take up what I can't manage, you get me, I just, you know, just do it and showcase and make people know, say, you know, at least try. You understand? So when I come back again in the next song, and if you got it, you don't know, them can say, yeah, they actually make a song before, but, you know what I mean? But, yeah, but that's the reason why, you know, I never really jump into the music scene immediately after my release, you see me? Next question, do you have a brother? Yeah, I have about 5. Yeah, I have about 5 brothers. Is my smallest one, Shanway. The one before Shanway, I think I Dean that. Are you before Shanway, you know? I Dean that, yeah. And after Dean, then Cash. And before Cash, then I guess I'm me. No, but yeah, may I get this thing twisted up, people? Yeah. May I just name them. You understand? Me have brother, right? Me have brother Sean, Dean, Cash, rest in peace, J Dog, that's my brother that too. You see me? And Marlon, you see me? And me. I know I'm not brother to me, but me. Let's move on. But yeah, I have brother and 2 sisters. You see me? Big up my sister Sim. I not call her name because she not like the media thing. But big up my sister Sim. You see me? And big up my next sister Jody. You see me? Yeah. Alright, so next one. You can't swim. Who telling us I can't swim? Well, I can't swim in a boat. I don't like deep water, if you know what I mean. Like, I like little pool water them when, you know, 5 feet and up. But when it come on to like go a river and one big deep water there, so I don't mess with it. I don't know why. You understand? I can't swim like plenty of time me I swim and it's like me I panic. But then I say to myself, so don't panic, calm down, you know? And then I just go back to the normal. But I can swim, but I'm not alright, out of 10, more than say I can swim. Say probably like a 5'6". Sorry. Say a 5'6", you see me? But who can really swim a cash? I don't know if you still have that, but I can swim, you know, but not like a swimmer, chuck off in the deep water and something there. You know, I'm not really, you know, fond of that. But you don't know. I can swim, yeah. Next assumption, you smoke weed. You smoke weed. Now, please, people, don't tell me say the reason why you say I smoke weed is because I have dreads. Because you know, say I recently make a video on my next channel. Actually, people have a new channel called Jamaican Puppets where I have some puppets, I do some, you know, puppet things, you see me? But I recently make a video and there was Elmo in the video. May I show the piece of it? Let me settle this. So, you are Elmo, right? And you're real. What airport you landing at Kingston?
I teleported? Do you smoke weed?
Why you even ask that?
Because you have dreads and you live in Jamaica.
Alright, not because I'm Jamaican, I smoke weed. You get it?
But I know you must be selling it.
Sell your money. Alright, so as you can see, Elmo in the video and Elmo say, because I live in Jamaica and I have dreads, that means me smoke weed. But I don't smoke weed, people. If I tell you this, you wouldn't never believe me. I've never smoked weed before. Never. In my life. I only smell it. Like there are people that smoke it and smell it. You understand? I have bad sinus, so weed and sinus, you know, that now I go really agree. But I've never smoked weed before, never smoked cigarette. The last time I smoked something, I was probably like 11, and that was banana trash. Yeah, banana trash. You know, when you're pitney, you're not getting access to no cigarette or nothing like that. But they smoke banana trash and some book leaf, you see me? But otherwise from that, and the brown paper them, when them sell like saltfish and them thing in our country, like the flour bag, yeah, me used to mess around that. But otherwise from that, I never smoke cigarette, Mataran, none of that, no weed, nothing like that. So that assumption, I don't smoke. Next one, you're not hype. Big up yourself. Big up yourself, big up yourself. Jnel not hype. I mean, anybody who say me hype, just call it there's something wrong with them. Something definitely wrong with them. Why me even say that is because, I mean, you can go to my Instagram, you see me, you can go to my video. One most of my Instagram, I hardly even put up picture in a clothes. You know what I mean? Like, when you say somebody hype is when them always put up picture in a clothes and them always put up new this and new that, or me just buy this and me just buy that. I'm not that type of person. I keep everything a secret, you understand? And anytime you see me, I look regular, like, I'm like a regular person. You see me? So when you come on to hype, I'm not doing that. But big up yourself, you know. Lisa Reed, yeah man, I love the assumption, right. You see me? Alright, so next assumption, not question. People, if I say question, just stay with me, please. I beg you. Alright, next one. Family is important to you. Definitely family is important to me. And I don't know who family is important to. It's probably like them have some family history thing. But family definitely important to me. You understand? But there are boundaries when it comes on to family important. You see, if you're a family member and you not do what you're supposed to do to make your life, you know, what would I say?
Excel.
Yeah, I make your life, you know, excel and, you know, like bring up yourself. You understand? I'm not gonna look at you as that important as that. You understand? But when it come on, I'm not gonna spoil nobody. You get to me, I say, although I'm not nothing to spoil nobody still, but my family is definitely important. But if you're not doing what you're supposed to do, you're still important, but you know, I'm not gonna, you know, be all up in your shh. You see me? People, you know what I mean? Yeah, so big up yourself, Joya. Alright, so next question. Next assumption. People, me not gonna stop the question. Honestly, me not gonna stop the question. But let's move on. Next one. Even though you're in the spotlight, you're shy. Yeah, definitely shy. I mean, when me not shy is when the camera turn on. You get me? But definitely, me always shy. You know, I'm shy overall, but not that shy. But you don't know, even though me not in the spotlight, you know, people think that, you know, even though you're in a spotlight or you're popular, people know you, that's supposed to change your personality, change who you be, but not for me. You know, I'm still the same person. So with the cameras on and the cameras off, I'm still the same person. But when the camera on, you know, me have like a alter ego where, you know, me just, you know, bring out what I'm supposed to bring out, when I'm supposed to bring it out. You see me? All right, so next one. Big up yourself, Miss Murray. I call you Miss Murray. You know, I can't bother pronounce them name because them name I gonna mash up my meds. But big up yourself, Miss Murray. Next one. You had your first kiss in elementary school under the tree at lunch. It sound like me I go to this. It sound like me I go to the same elementary school. It sound like me and I go to the same elementary school and she there in one corner and watch me a bust gums. But honestly, I don't even remember my first kiss. I don't even remember that because, you know, I know something I think about. I know females would are more likely, you know, think about that and remember that. And yeah, I don't remember my first kiss, honestly. But I know it was a long time. Probably like in the 2001, 2, something like that. Maybe them time I'm young still, but you don't know. Yeah, wake up yourself, I'm Brianna Mousy. Or Mousy. Wake up yourself. Next one. Was Ari your barber before you started growing your hair? Ari. Remember saying a lot of barbers, you know, them have like a nickname. You see me, I'm not gonna know them personal name. You see me, like them government name. You see me, but Ari, no. You have to leave, just comment back and let me know which Ari you talk or find out if Ari have a nickname. So I can, you know, confirm yes or no. Next one. You are from another planet. Well, when it comes on to, yeah, when it comes on to YouTube, I'm definitely on the next planet, but overall, I'm still on Earth, you know, still on Earth. But when it comes on to content creating, I'm on the next planet. Easy me. All right, so let's move on to the other one. Big up yourself, JTEX Official TV. Big up yourself, my G. Next one. This might be a reach. But I'm assuming that you can sing. We can't sing. We can't try a thing. But I'm not gonna try a thing now. Because I don't want to embarrass myself. But I can't sing. But I can sing. But I can't sing. And I must get that. Next one. Real chopper. Hold on. When you say chopper, you mean like real general? Or you mean chop? No. What you mean? Like, you mean a real general or, you know, because when it come on to chopper, definitely I'm not Jnel that. Never. YouTube chopper now. Yeah. But chop, no. Not now. Well, never. Never. Lord God, we say not now and I say, yo, that's all I'm soon. Easy me, but no, never. No, I'm not a chopper. If I that you ask me G, easy me, but yeah, next one. Your side chick position is taken. Your side chick position is taken. Kadian Campbell. What does that supposed to mean? Well, I don't have a side chick. You see me? I'm a married man without a ring. You see me? But side chick position, I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but big up yourself, KD and Campbell. But I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Alright. Yo, them suggestion, yeah. You know, some of them nice in about, you know, after a while, them kind of get, like, fiery. You see me? But I'm not going to jump in that fire. I move out. Alright, so next one. You can dance? No. No, I can't dance. I can try a thing. You know, I can try a thing, but, you know, I can't dance. Which dance I can do, you know? Touch. How touch go again? Something like, yeah. I don't know if I do people. If I look like I don't have sense, look for me not like an idiot. Not like a fool. Watch out. How am I do? I'm to the youth here. Watch out, youth here. Watch out. I don't know me other people. I can't dance. Dance is not a thing for me, but back in the days, I could have danced, because remember, anytime the competition I go on a Clarendon, I always dip on stage, I shell it. Remember one night, I shell the stage people, like, I shell it, you see me, I'm going to get $4,000. I get the $4,000 before they take it from me. Take the whole $4,000 from me. And if I tell you say I'm me spending money people, I lie me I tell. But I think you take the money and buy food. It's me like flour and them something because them time they like food and never something always in the house because you know him now work. So most of the time I go to bush and them something there. But big up my father, you don't know, big up yourself in general. Yeah. But I win the money and I take it all out from me. And you know as a pitney when you get money your father take it from you, you vex. But at the same time, you know, I was just a child, I never really understand. Yeah, but you don't know, let's move on to the next one. Yeah. Hi Jnel, you are funny. And do you remember me, your cuz? So this person named Chioma Sterling. I think I remember you. I'm not sure if, you know, I'm never sure if I you, me. People they get to me and say, I'm not sure if I she this or not. You see, because I don't think I know the last name, but I know the first name. You understand? But I know more than one person with that first name. But the other person I know my cousin, but I'm not sure if I'm a cousin or not. But big up yourself, cuz if it was my cousin where they come in the last year, December, or the year before December, then I remember you. But otherwise from that, I don't know what to say. But big up yourself, Chioma Sterling. Next question. Next assumption. Eh? Little over 3 minutes? Alright, next one. You are most funniest person in Jamaica. Big up yourself, big up yourself. I know what you mean, but I'm not gonna be like someone and be like, why? Easy, but big up yourself, Gabby Witter. Yeah, one of the most funniest Jamaican YouTubers. You don't know, big up yourself. Yeah, man, thank you for that. Yeah, alright. So, I think one more left. Oh, this is the last one. Oh, wait. I actually read that one already. So, that was the last one. Okay, alright. Well, I guess that's the end of the video, peeps. You don't know, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. You know, when you subscribe, just click the notification bell and hit the like button for this video. Hit the like button. You see me? I was supposed to drop a trick question today, but you know, things never work out the way it's supposed to work out. So look out for it definitely next weekend. You don't know. Or during the week. No, I'm not sure. I think I get the time to do it during the week. But look out for it next weekend. You see me? Definitely next weekend. And make sure you click the like button, people. Click the like button. You see me? At the golden rule. Like our rule is so easy to say. You see me? So click the like button if you like this video. You see me? If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button. And also turn on the post notifications so anytime I upload, you get notification. You see me? So big up yourself, peeps. You don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm out. And remember to subscribe to my next channel, which is Jamaican Puppets. I have a lot of awesome contents coming to you guys soon. So make sure you subscribe from now. Well, I actually do one video already. You see me? So I'll put the link right here. You know, there's a little circle right here where you can just click there and go directly to the channel. You see me? Or you just click the video right here and go preview the video with me and Elmo. And me actually play Elmo voice, people. You see me? But big up on yourself. And Nel Squad pullovers. I mean, probably you guys see this pullover and I wonder what it mean. But this is actually my brand. You see me? Nel Squad. NS Nel Squad. I don't know if you can see the word under it. But yeah, Nel Squad. Only $5,000 people, while stock lasts. You know, a little bit left, I'm soon done. But big up for yourself. Thanks for watching, peeps. You don't know your boy Jnel, and I'm out.